Wameno say Kotoko advanced team no Edru Morocco ene Tuesday. Sunday na nwumre na Kotoko advanced team no share preparation ase ameno say Morocco omo ho na the main team, the main contingent no eba Morocco nyambo Wednesday, which is China and also Eko. Na squad a economy nsaka no aha mede Asia o fie ha. Yes. We say aha say no enye Kotoko one has one sem. Enye ntiatiamu na enye dede but matured and understanding sports no. And na you rolling it out o fie. I mean side stories kakra e wo ha mede ebe bro. Former Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach, your friend Maxwell Kunedu. No. Na he almost joined Baby Any Gold Stars. And then Reggie work a story about say wa withdraw from the Baby Any Gold Stars potential move no Abeka say why not just say obest take with the national under 20 Jumana edan enimu no na nkomodie bi a epiepie na no anadwomanda because manda na chese manda me da ho bia na me phone no quick me koda me ndum data iti quick me fa no acheke yesi maso akunadu be replace Karim Zito yesi maso akunadu be replace Karim Zito na call so na mu na me se maintain ho bibia na momu no ade chi a me fa phone na mafra busam de ewum bia no de mete no me de beba na me so mate bibia fa ho a Bede Asia ewo fie ha de also ye ne se obebo sa red so na wabeka family no na Asante Kotoko reaction also ye 02477 0247 107260 0247 107260. The Ghana Football Association enra omo ye seminar na eho na omo ko announce say ade bia very important. Me no ka say Ghana football akogya tum say no ubo Ghana football, Ghana Premier League, there is a minimum, a friend is saying, salary for you, and as a minimum wage, and a very good, important news about footballers. No people say a minimum wage now, Kotoko and then call for Akodia Tumuno, a saying, na me the whole details kakra, ever mau, if you have real quick, yes, and also a idea. And Rayana is CNT. Ebe say ebe update mo kakra bi about it. So na mechono. Minimum wage, Ghana football and sensem. Minimum wage, according to Kotoko, and I'm person me pull him out on name no. Ansana and obebano. My fact the light for a path no income amount. Light for a path no very important. A good moon 7 day. Ade a nyina yede gigi ani ne ade a nemu no mama nka biom nemu no ewiase no sa utimi etenetene wabrabo ya wa na eboa wo ne wabusua nyina nti mea na mekama sem de bia say ewiase there are so many things to learn in this world ayo. Yes, there are so many things to learn, but enya ni nyina na obi hu nti wote se obi ka bia na watawaso no wati wo pen krada wafa na wo de atworo agu anase video no obetimi a bookmark anase obetimi save this particular video because it's very important. My brother ayebo we are aspiring to be wealthy, the be and be successful ni abinyes kana. Here are 6 very important things if you start making money I was say yes it's annual mansia we. If you start making money, never forget about this. Dedikai. Number 1. Wear few, and I say, wear few quality clothes. Like, I'm not referring, say, koto nyoma kakrebi. Buy quality. And koto ntadi bibria enye quality. Sa uneska untadi shemu no enkoto nyoma bibiri obonze enye quality wa to agum bibiri nemum no what uneska was all ye ne say you buy the top quality and also ntade be 5 6 7 quality. I don't attend be out there appearance. But enkoto bebre choka de bebe bia na auto ba any quality. So you have to buy quality at least. Few enye bebre asema making one monetize ka for pana Mark Zuckerberg mo Elon Musk mo master omontade na show mo tum say top quality escafo but onintade bebre sa ba kakra bi no wo no eye top quality a deep sense and me revealing in there. Number two. So who start to say you are making good money. This one is very important. Hey, they be America say you are say your body no. We doctors ne crack. We betima ko high baby so they come we betima ko jobi car, we betima ko jobi atad. But o body na wo nipadua ni hyimu no anaze wo so ni hyimu no ntimi ko jobi de. And body no be healthy the woody. About 70% here the woody. The 30% no and the environment, the atmosphere, the air. But most importantly, 70% of South person we healthier the woody. So if you start making money, you have to eat good. You have to eat good. Eat top quality food. Let me put it straight. Just eat good. Don't do junk. Because a junk foods no can fried rice, indomie. It's hard don't. Even though there are fried rice be out say we the quality. No. Don't do too much of junk food. Kobasa na ya be ma tembia wa ya better tembia me yare because we are eating junk. O your ban so a me pese me koho wase ho no. So if you start making good money, eat top quality, organic. Junk na de nkwankra na aduane. It wo no as a top quality man. Now no tembia no o health nya o say affect. So eat quality and do away with junk. Number 3, very important. Very, very important. If you start making good money, you have to start hiring people. For instance, I do almost say house help but if you no wo sha see say wo make iska masa. Oh no, o time no very, very important. 1 minute, 2 minutes be here. Intenya afi na wo na wo kono aduane akohuru nkukum saa nwomani nyina high people for them to do it for you. We common sense. It is scaffold no one this can be on no esi ni nyoma. Time or the be no they are serious meeting be nyeska. So if you start making money, high people, high nipa. No mun nye adwuma bi a wa ha uni ho time away. We are simple. The fourth one is very important. Invest in experiences. Quality experience. Invest in experience. Oh no uneska. Enye nyoma bia na ekoha but what is a quality seminar be called? You participate. A quality experience work enrich your knowledge. What I mentioned will level up. Very important. Me if you are wa han minim say nche bia you move be sha see make big money. Anytime we do we be 2 million. More number 4, young number 5. Number 5, we be doing say we a serious but a no credit. The number 5, if you start making very good money, upgrade your mattress. Upgrade your mattress, no. If you are say I want to be D 80 years, bit market so say move 40 years, no. You are spending it on your own person. About 30 years of it over that bibi so. It's just imagine say what that foam dwon bi so. Obe how ho. O spinal cord wechi onya fit grass a. It is when a scar upgrade the mattress no. Nkwade da baby a na okon ade beche ye committee kra na me yare me kon because na mattress papa so. What a beche no. Inti eno ye very important. Asama list one say health error need through sir because if you are saying no san hodin ni ho a there will ideas be will be you cannot execute. So na beche. And the last one, which is the sixth one. Sir, if you start making good cash, upgrade your financial advisors. First, no community or only Adam Fui, on now dream, but saying you are hitting thousands of dollars. Because you are nearing millions of dollars and as a millions of Ghana cedi. And just crown and on your Mokofa financial plan. Upgrade, go for the top quality. You become your financial advisors. And financial advisors, no, me and Metie can say, oh, there's bar. Just contact me. I will be one of your financial advisors. Because Sika Bound Sema, so when you're careful, the money is going to control you. The money is going to control you. So when you be a discipline, make camera. It's kind of a control. You go for be to fund or fantasies into your more real nature. So, what do scanner bar? Just contact me. Me managing the finances. But so seek bar, just contact me. Number now. I'll do a perfect job for you. Move be I will take piano. A better feasibility studies about it. A better before hitting it. We are not assuring 100% clarity, but about 80-85% clarity there. The more we wait forward now, sana. We don't say we be more, don't say. But that's it. I feel young so. My main first squad in real quick now. And light for you not check. Because say I know you would get almost there, massa. Oh, but how Cassandra doors too much. Cassandra, but I the quote I made a band saying. A good year munsemono, a Nigia Noma keke, young fanco heavy. The mature board this annual manoma, young fanco heavy. It's a no idea I baby as a DGN. Nanyamia Semon Sone, a dear bettinity, I may live a worthy life no while, and this one see the coming. It's one because may a long baby Casabi Abraham first story be a man. The patch of Monso more reply can grab it because. A good moon semono here a idea and 1 year digit nemo. Idea here no, you can't see the coming. China, a bought Wednesday, about 6 a.m. Timono Befa, de Morocco. Players near 20. And now officials, because officials are. The officials include the technical team and the management. Boom. They are 15. So if you put them together, there is going to be a 35-man contingent. 35-man contingent. And air travel to Morocco to face WAC. And na squad no. Aziz Aruna Dari a goalkeeper. And a Benjamin Chum a goalkeeper. Aziz Aruna Dari a goalkeeper. And a Benjamin Chum a goalkeeper. Lord Amwa, first leg no bobo he's part of the team. And now Patrick Asiodu is also part of the team. Then we have the defenders as Joseph Ablo Ekaho, champion defender Joseph Ablo Ekaho. and a Samba Unel Ekaho. Samba Unel Ekaho. Let's say that Henry Ansu is also part of the squad. Henry Ansu is also part of the squad. Then we have Zakaria Fuseni. Zakaria Fuseni is also part of the squad. Francis Aqua is also part of the squad. I think the guy we got from HM United is also part of the squad. And I think these are the defenders. Now let's go to the midfielders. Midfielders, no, you was Seth Kwetu. And you were Lord Hilary Adabo. And you were Hubert Joe. And you were Seth Kwetu Mabonidi. Yes, and you were Emmanuel Entry. Emmanuel Entry and Ekaho as the midfielders. So let me put this category here as the wingers. Wingers, no, you were Inusa Adams. And I don't know on the ball right side or no. And you were Peter Amiduakwa. Also, I don't know on the ball the left side. Baba Yayamudi Omoye training with the junior team on So and the wingers, no, my ball Inusa no, and my ball Peter Amiduakwa. Then we also have Philip Amo. Yes, Philip Amo, me born in the Mekai say this player, Joseph Amo, is also part of the defenders are Omo Ekaho Akono. So, and the midfielders, not forgetting Walid Neema Fuseni is also part of the midfielders. And we have two strikers in the team, which is our own, very own Albert Amo. I'm hoping and praying that at least we'll get 2 goals in this second leg. And Donzo, position, you know, I have in the year as a striker of professional football. No. Make sure say Tembiano, you are not in an offside position. So the mention. Inti Donzo, I wish you all the best. Kote your name. Na prove your mouth for wrong. Na just say my mouth for so heavy one the mention. Call no koye baby. The fat show day in gold for Korea.